Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in England, UK, and you can find my blog at craftbestlife.co.uk. Today I'm bringing you a project with simple stamping. So this is using the least amount of supplies, nice and simple and easy to do. So let's just get my ink. So this one here is one of our note cards, and we've got the sentiment and the stamp there. This is the Butterfly Gala stamp set, which is in the Spring Summer catalogue, and that comes with the Butterfly Duet punch as well. So there's your very simple stamping. There's a note card with us, just a little thank you note, all ready to go out like that. And then I've stepped it up a little bit. So the next one, we've got a layer, and then we've got stamping on there, and then I went a little bit further and I put some extra butterflies on there. So today we're going to make this one. Let's move those out the way, pop that up there. So I literally have a stamp set, a punch, an ink pad and some paper. Simple as that. So let's move that out of the way. So I've got my Wisp White card base, which is 4 1/8 by 5 7/8. So then my matting layer is 1/4 of an inch, no, 1/8 of an inch smaller, so that's 4 by 5 6/8. And then the stamping layer is 3 3/8 by 5.5. All the measurements and everything will be over on my blog, so if you need to check them out, there'll be a blog post ready for that. So there's our card base, there's our layer. Oh, and I've got a little scrap for the little butterflies. So let's get started. I've got a tickle, hang on. Pardon me for slurping. Right, so we want a butterfly. Which one should we do? Let's do that one. So these butterflies are all in one, the big one and the little one are all in one stamp. So when you stamp it and then you punch it out, they fit together perfectly. So no wiggling around trying to get it how you want it. We'll have hello beautiful. We all want to hear that, don't we? We can always say it to ourselves too. So there's my stamps ready to go. So to get the position, what I'll do is I will stamp the hello beautiful first. I'm not quite sure where I am. Let's move that one out of the way so I don't make a mess. So hello beautiful. Nice and inky. I think my ink pad needs a bit of a re-ink. So we're just going to get that straight on my grid paper. I'm going to put that up there like so. And then we want the butterflies. It's not really helpful up there, is it? I'm a left-handed person in a right-handed person's brain, so it's not very easy. Right, so let's start here. Way in the, yeah, that's better. Can I get another one in there? Oh, should have started at the top, I reckon. There we go. Ink away. Oh no, I want to do that. I want the little butterfly. So I just want to ink that one up there. So I'm just going to put it on the corner of my ink pad and gently get some ink on it. And then I'm going to stamp it on the lemon lime twist. So I get a tone on tone look. How many did I do? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Put that on there. So that gives us the little ones. Now I can put my ink away. I learnt a very good lesson the other afternoon. I put an ink pad there and I stood a card up and then the card fell in it. So I ended up with a big green line across my card. Right, so that's our map there. Make sure we're open the right way. And then we're going to use some wet glue just to stick that one on. And then I can wiggle it a bit like so. Then we're going to stick this layer on. Like that. Oh, got a fuzzy wuzzy. There we go. So that takes us to, I don't know if I got those. That takes us to this stage with those like that, and you can leave them like that if you like. And then we're going to just punch out our little butterflies. I may need a bit of posty tape. One. Ah, I've seen this tip the other afternoon. So get your thingy in there and tap him old. No, it's not going to work for me, is it? I've got very shaky hands. So when I do get things lined up, I often have a twitch and then they go wonky. So there we go. That's our 3 little flutterbys. That's junk. 1, 2, 3. Pop that away. Yeah, I don't have the best coordination, so that's how I found my way to stamping, because I used to draw. I used to draw and paint when I was younger, and obviously when your hands get wobbly, you can't do it, and it got very frustrating. So I found papercraft, and then realised that I could make pretty things as well with stamps and ink. So I'm just going to give those butterflies a bit of a lift, and then I'm going to use the mini dimensionals on the back like so. One on there, one more, one there. So where have we got 3 yet? As long as we've got 3, that's all right. So just going to stick that one on top of that one. And get the backing off. That one on top of that one. Oh, the whole thing came off then, hang on. And then that one on top of that one. So there we go. Simple stamping with a paper, ink, stamp set and a punch. So there's our simple stamping, there's our stepped up stamping, and there's that, the stepped up again stamping. So all the measurements will be over on my blog at craftybestlife.co.uk. All my contact details will be in the description box below. If you need to get in hold of me or you have any questions, please get in touch, and I will see you again next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.